Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Friday, January 10th. Starting off this vlog in my bathroom. I have some laundry to do today and just my normal routine. I already filmed a few videos. I uploaded a YouTube video today. And then of course I am vlogging. This evening I am celebrating my dad's birthday. We're just going over to their house. And then this weekend I have a volleyball tournament. So today I need to get a few things done around the house and I really need to pack. Okay, I have my laundry done here. I have a pile to my left. Don't mind all the trash bags in the back. That is my clothes I have gone through and I need to bring them to Goodwill. I should honestly do that today and just get it out of the way. I'm going down there on Saturday and it's a 2-day tournament, so I'm just gonna stay Saturday evening. So I really don't need to bring a whole lot. I have like 3 of the same yoga pants, all in the same exact style. I just love them so much. I had to get a pair. I'm gonna probably wear one of them on Saturday. So I'll just leave one out and then I'll pack the other. And then I just like to pack everything in my giant backpack here. I think I'll wear this on day 2. I have a bunch of like little sports bras. I can only do the really thin spaghetti strap because the other ones just really hurt my shoulders. So I'll pack 3 of these because straight after I'm done with the tournament on Sunday, I have a rec league that I have to go to. I play reverse 4s. So it's just 4 of us and I need to go straight there. I have a pair of socks. Maybe I might wear this for the rec league. I definitely need these leggings. Oh, I'll wear this black shirt. I like to just bring a few casual shirts in case I don't know, go out for dinner, which I probably will just by myself, but I think that's plenty. And there we go. Packing is super simple. Obviously I have to do like my toiletries and stuff, but I won't be packing that until tomorrow morning so I can use them. And then I'm just gonna hang up everything I'm not packing. I also looked up at my fan last night and it was disgustingly dusty. Okay, that makes me feel so much better. Okay, I just got a few things in the mail. What's a vlog without an unboxing? Oh my god. This is like, have you seen that crazy like kind of not tripod thing, but like it connects to everything? Oh, that is cool. Okay. And like it connects to the back of your phone, I think. I'll have to figure that one out, but that is so fun. Then I have one more package. I'm not entirely sure. These packages never say who they're from. It just says like distribution center. So, oh, this is the Fenty Hair Instant Damage Repair Treatment. And then, oh my gosh, this is the Moisture Repair Shampoo. This bottle is so good. I'm gonna try these tonight because I really need to wash my hair, but I have never tried Fenty Hair before, so I'm excited. Oh my gosh. I didn't even look at the bottom of this, but it's been like an hour. Been doing some random stuff, but I got some more packages and this one's from Elements and I love Elements. I'm a huge fan. Yes. This is the Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. I use this all the time. I say past tense because I really don't use a whole lot of makeup anymore, but I would use it to take off my makeup and it was so good. Absolutely love that. And then I got a 12 pack of, I believe it's Alani, so which I also desperately needed. Oh my gosh, yes, okay. So it's their new collab, Megan Maroney. I don't know who that is. I think it's a country singer, but I'm not entirely sure. And it's the Watermelon Wave. I'm pretty sure they've come out with this flavor before. I always love the packaging. They have such fun stuff. Reminds me of summer. Honestly, we might as well have a sip of it. Packaging is just so fun. I love this. Okay, again, this is Watermelon Wave. Oh, I don't know if they have come out with this one before. I feel like they've come out with something watermelon, but this is a next level up of watermelon. This is like genuine watermelon. This is pretty good. Wow, okay. This is really good.
Came back, whatever. Dre Greenlaw replaced that guy because that player was just gonna...
Figured I'd get my day going. I wanted to start out with changing my living room space a little bit. I brought up some lamps that I had down in my basement. We just never come in the basement. I really liked how I had it set up. We just never come down here and I wanted to use my cute decor upstairs. So there's a big rug down here. I have this rug and I have the matching one that's about 1/4 of the size for my foyer. I want to put this rug in my kitchen. So I have to move all of this stuff, but I'll figure it out. think I just have to pull it maybe. Use a little force here. Okay. Damn, has to go the other way. Now I have to move this somewhere because I need the carpet to be pulled all the way back because there's a vent on the other side. And I'm thinking it might fit right here. This obviously does not work here. It's like a sharp angle and it really narrows the hallway. So I might just put it back, but I'm worried that it's gonna be uneven because of the carpet. So we'll see. The next day was Brian's birthday, January 16th. We woke up really early. We were up around like 5:36. I made some coffee and then we enjoyed that and took the dogs on a walk on our favorite trail right at like 7:30. And then right by that trail is where we get our eggs from the farmer. So it's always easy to bring them and then just go straight to the farmer. We also got pretty lucky with the weather. If you know anything about Minnesota, it's freezing in January, but today I wanted to say it was like 20 degrees at 8 a.m., which is a really good thing. I then, of course, took Brian out for lunch. We got like loaded potato fries, and then I got a chicken Caesar sandwich, which is my favorite from this place. And then he got more like a chicken Parmesan sandwich. He rated it like a 7 out of 10, which is kind of a bummer. Okay, welcome back. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. This one I desperately needed again. I ordered my like little cakes tasties. You guys, I'm not kidding you. This is like the best $30 I've ever spent. I wanna say a little bit cheaper because I found a coupon even, but it's these cakes, essentially like little nipple covers, and they are so good. I'm not kidding you. A life changer. Not entirely sure. A lot of these are sent to me from TikTok. Oh yes, okay, this is the Therese and Honor eyelash serum that I use. This is so good. I've kind of been in and out of using it, so I'm trying to get back into it. I need longer lashes, but I definitely recommend this one. Whenever I see a little black box, I always think it's NARS, but I'm not entirely sure. I hope it is because I absolutely love NARS. You guys get to look first. Never mind. Yes, it is! Okay, let's see. They put everything in a cute little bag, which is so much fun. Oh my gosh, they kind of sent a lot. Okay, we have the Afterglow Tempting Eyeshadow Palette. This looks stunning. Oh, and I love the packaging, a soft like blush pink. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. These colors are gorgeous. Okay, wow. If you can see that, that is just gorgeous. Okay, putting that right back. Okay, it looks like we have a few Afterglow liquid blushes. So Insatiable, Aragon, and of course these crazy names. Oh, I think I already have a few of these actually. Yes, this is pretty. Stunning. And then Afterglow Lip Oil. Oh, that's gorgeous too. These are such pretty colors. This one looks stunning. Hold on. Yes, that is gorgeous. Next up, this one is from L'Occitane. L'Occitane. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but I just know they have some really good stuff. The hand cream cheese that stands tall. Not entirely sure what that means, but it's just their hand cream, and when I tell you, it is so good. I had a few extra of these past winter, and I gave my mom one. They are just so good. If you have really dry hands, you need to try this. And when I tell you, it is fit. Next up, this one says Medicube, so this is the collagen gel mask from Medicube. I've heard so many good things about this. Honestly, I should try it tonight. Has niacinamide in it and hydrolyzed collagen. I need that. And then last one here is from Kristen S. Kristen S is a hair brand that you can find at Target. That's what I'm familiar with. Okay, so we have Bond Recovery Leave-In Treatment, Strengthening Conditioner. Desperately need that right now. These are all like little travel sizes. Strengthening Shampoo. Tiny little travel sizes. How cute. Bond Fortifying Serum. Okay. Again, I need Again, I need all of these. Overnight Bond Revitalizing Dry Mask. Okay, so brand new next level technology launching February 2025. Okay, where salon meets science. So these are all kind of like little testers. How exciting. And that is where I will end today's video. Thank you so very much for watching, you guys. I will be sure to make more vlogs, and I'll also have everything linked down below that I mentioned in today's hauls.